kind of thing that happens at that kind of party, you know? But, you know, I guess I shouldn't even be mad at you because, I mean, he was such a nut. He was such a problem. I mean, he was...
I found him to be very weird, very cheap. I couldn't...
Yes! He would, like, not have any money for the valet parker.
Oh,
yes.
he did that to you, too?
Yes, he did!
And dinner. I mean, I couldn't believe it. You know, he'd reach in for his wallet, and he'd always say, oh, whoops, I left it at home.
That happened so many times, I don't believe it.
Oh, what a sleaze. Oh, this guy.
I know, totally.
I know.
And then, did he do that thing to you, you know, when you were, like, you know,
oh.
did he make you do that thing?
Oh, the thing?
The thing? You're the best. I'll have you back.
Yes,
I will, but we gotta meet the monkey. Bring the bubble. Michael Jackson's monkey, Bubbles. Is he cute? Oh, Brant, give me the monkey. Brant. Brant. Oh, so cute. Oh, could I get a tight shot of me and Bubbles? Come on, Bubbles. Oh, look. All right, Michael. If you want your monkey back, you're going to have to come on down to the show. Then you and Bubbles can be reunited on the air. Oh, if everybody wants to see Michael, let's really hear it. How can he resist you? I'm sure he's coming. Next week, we'll also meet people who in their past life met Shirley MacLaine in her past life. And Debbie Gibson will be here. Not excited about Debbie Gibson? Well, she's not going to sing, but she is going to show us how she makes those hats for under $1. And, of course, the amazing Michael Jackson. See you then. Believe it. Bubbles! 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 Bubbles, I can't handle this. I'm right in the middle of a relationship crisis and there's a monkey dew all over my clothes. Now what?
Oh, sorry, I'll come back later.
No, Jeff, come in.
Wow. Julie, I really admire the way you're able to just let your emotions out like this.
I didn't do this, Bubbles did.
Oh, good. You had me worried there for a minute.
But this is how I feel.
Okay, I'm worried.
Oh, Jeff, I try so hard. What am I doing wrong?
Julie, you're doing great. Just great. Much better than the Punky Brewster show, even.
I know I should be thrilled, but it's just not enough. Not without someone to come home to, like Aldo.
When could you ever go home to Aldo?
I could go to the restaurant. I always had my own table right by the window.
Julie, I think you could do much better than Aldo. I mean, you're just terrific, and you deserve somebody who would like you for you. I mean, sure, maybe they're not the greatest looking guy in the world, but they thought they had a chance. They could lose a few pounds, maybe, I don't know, get some Italian sweaters or...
Aldo had the greatest Italian sweaters.
Well, English sweaters, then. You deserve somebody who would cherish you, Julie.
Maybe you're right. But who am I going to have dinner with right now?
How about me?
Jeff. Why not?
I know this terrific little Thai place right around the corner.
Hello? Oh, Aldo, it's you. No, I'm fine, just fine. You are? You do? Well, maybe No, I can't. I'm having dinner with a friend. No, you don't know him. His name's Jeff Goldner. No, I can't possibly cancel. That's just the way it is. Goodbye.
Julie, you passed up Aldo for me? I can't believe you would do something so healthy.
Sometimes I'm so healthy, I scare myself. Come on. Time for dinner.
Barry Smith tomorrow will preview the president's drug speech. Also, William Shatner joins us, and we'll look at the fall TV season on CBS This Morning.
Stay tuned for your local news.